Hello friends, welcome to AARDHA. Disclaimer: this presentation is for educational purpose only. Users are advised to verify information with official RBI, SEBI, IRDA sources and consult certified financial advisors before making financial decisions. So friends, this is topic 2 of AARDHA Phase 1 Personal Banking Series. In this topic, we will learn about savings account and mobile and internet banking features. And we will also see check terminology and its uses and digital banking safety. So let's start the topic. Let's see first what savings account is. In last video, we have learned that savings account is the basic account which is required for all the individuals. It might be regular savings account for general users, or it might be salaried account if monthly income is credited to that account. There are special savings account for women, minor, or students with lower fees and special perks. Also, for senior citizens, savings account might attract higher interest, and also it's easy to get this service of doorstep banking. Also, we have learnt in the previous video about Prime Minister Dhan Yojana scheme, right? In that, Dhan account with zero balance is provided to the customer with RuPay debit card and other benefits. Mainly, these accounts are uh, useful for DBT benefits, which means direct benefit transfer by the governments. Now let's see what account status, various account status types, so that people can avoid confusion when they hear these terms. First of all, inoperative or dormant account. People come to hear that account is on hold, it is inoperative or not used for 1 or 2 years, right? These inoperative or dormant are used interchangeably. Account becomes inactive after 2 years of inactivity. Here, ATM online services are blocked, and customer needs to provide KYC to the bank to get these accounts operated. And next one is unclaimed account. If customer doesn't use the account for 10 years, funds will be moved to deposit education awareness fund of RBI. Here, funds does not remain with the bank. If you don't use for about 10 years, funds will be moved to RBI's DEF account. Here also you need to provide KYC to the bank and uh, provide DEF claim form so that you get back the amount into your account for your use. These these DEF accounts can be traced through RBI's UDGAM Portal. This is the link. If you have any doubt regarding your whether you have DEF account or not, you can search here. Now let's see sample deposit slip so that it will be useful when you want to make deposit in the bank. This is sample deposit slip of State Bank of India. Here you need to write the date. Here you need to enter the account number. These details are useful only if you make a check deposit. If you want to deposit a check into this account, here you need to write the check number, branch, name, etc. Otherwise, if you are depositing cash, just write the denomination, whatever the notes you have here, and amounts and total amount here. The portion on the left side, this is known as counter slip, which you get as proof of deposit, right? So here also mention account number, denomination, and amount. They will sign it and give it to you as proof of deposit, and they will keep this portion with them. Now let's see sample withdrawal slip of State Bank of India. Here write the date, here account number. Here it is given please pay self or ourself. This slip might be useful for individual account or joint account, right? So that's why it says self or ourselves. Here write amount in numericals, here amount in words. Here mention the phone number and here do the signature. This part, down part is for bank use. Just fill these details and provide the slip at the cash counter to withdraw the cash. Now let's see about mobile banking. See, mobile banking is basically banking service through mobile apps like Yono. Yono is SBI banking mobile banking app, right? Vyom is by Union Bank of India. These apps are bank apps which allow you to do basic services like a transfer, statement, balance inquiry, etc. Also, there are other apps, other UPI apps which provide such services like Beam, PhonePe, GPay, Paytm, etc. Access to these apps are done through debit card and OTP. See, uses are like UPI payments, bill payments, balance check, etc. Generally, these UPI apps has limit of 1 lakh per day. But if you use Yono or Vyom and other such apps of the banks directly, then you get higher limit like up to 5 lakhs. See, very important caution regarding these mobile banking. Don't download from these apps from any random sources. Download from only official app stores like Play Store. Android has Play Store, right? Only download apps from Play Store or if it is iPhone from App Store. Please don't click random APK files or random links. Don't click on APK files or random links. Your money might be at risk. See, now let's see about internet banking. Internet banking platform is like bank's website. Please visit official websites of banks like SBI, Union Bank of India, Canara Bank, etc. to have access to internet banking. Access by user ID and OTP. Please request bank to provide user ID if you want internet banking. Otherwise, if you have ATM nowadays, you can create internet bank with the help of ATM and OTP, etc. Uses are funds transfer, statements, and service requests. See, very important caution regarding this is avoid public Wi-Fi and keep credentials private. Don't use Wi-Fi provided in private places like railway stations, etc. because they can easily hack your accounts. Now let's see check basics and terminology. MICR is branch identification code. IFSC is code for online routing. This is these terminology I will show you through the check leaf so you get understand better. Pay is the person receiving check. He is the beneficiary of the check. Trier is the person issuing check and he is the account holder who signs the check. Post dated check is payable later. This check with the later date can't be paid right now. It will be paid in a later date. Crossed check is account pay check. Crossed check is like this. The check is crossed, then they don't give you money. They will just deposit into your account. Check bounce might be due to insufficient funds or signature mismatch. So be careful about this. And very important tip regarding this is never issue blank checks. It might keep you in risk. And also please sign carefully. Now let's see check and its terminology. Here, this is the check of State Bank of India. Here address is given and IFSC code of the bank is given. Here date is to be filled. Here pay is given, right? Here you need to write the payee name, means the beneficiary of the check. Here write amount in words and here fill the amount. Here the signature of customer who is owner of the check is to be made. This person is known as the drawer, and the bank, State Bank of India, is the dry bank. See, these are very important terminology. Please try to remember. This person who is beneficiary is known as payee. He is the recipient or beneficiary. This person who signs the check and the account holder of this bank is known as drawer. He is also known as writer of the check. Here the bank is known as dry bank. Now let's see other terminology. This 6-digit number is check number. This is very important terminology. This you might be required to write in the deposit slip if you want to deposit the amount into your account. This is MICR code, this is a RBI account number, and this is transaction code. So mainly you need to remember this: what pay is, who is the drawer, and this check number. These are the very important terms. Now let's see various cautions regarding this topic. See, be careful with these Jan zero balance accounts. Use them regularly, otherwise they might be closed. Also, if you don't use the account for about 10 years, funds will be transferred to RBI DEF fund. Here, claim will be lengthier process. It may take some time. Also, beware of fake UPI apps and QR scams. Regarding QR scams, I need to tell you, please remember, don't scan QR code. You need not scan QR code to receive money. You don't need to do this. Don't scan QR to receive money. You need to scan QR whenever you are required to pay the money, not receive it. Be careful with it. Use official bank websites only. See, for to check the credibility, at the left, top left, some key symbol is there, should be there. If it is genuine site, please check it. Also, as learned in the previous topic, nominee is not the letterhead, so please plan action separately. Also, avoid forced incidents or ULIPs at account opening. While you are opening accounts with the bank, please be informed that what are the forms you are signing. Please don't sign insurance and ULIPs without proper knowledge. This might keep your funds at risk. Now let's see what our call to action is. Please let me know what are all the new learnings you have through this video, and also let me know if you want to give any suggestions or if you have any doubts through the comment section so I can answer. Also, in next topic we will learn about KYC and DBT, very important and useful topic for you. KYC, you might hear that you need to update your KYC, right? I will teach you what this KYC and what do you need to do from your part in the next video. Also, DBT means direct benefit transfer of the governments. People get various benefits, direct benefits like PM Kisan, LPG subsidy, MG Narega. This is like a 100 days rural employment scheme is there, right? These money will be credited to the accounts, right? Nowadays people are facing problem that sometimes amount is not getting credited, sometimes it is being credited to some other account. So we will see why it's happening and what do you need to do to get the DBT directly into your account so that no confusion is there. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.